Just carrying on from where we left off last time. We couldn't get a spark. I've done some checking. First thing I did, we had power to the coils, power coming out the coils, but no spark. So I fitted a known good coil, still same result, no spark. So then I traced the signal wires back to the CDI, which are these two. Got continuity fine, straight from the coils back to the CDI. And I thought maybe CDI had a spare one, so I swapped it over, same results. And then I started looking into the pickup wires from pickup coil, which fits nicely into this plug, which is the right one. So I thought, it being the only one that shape, because they're all different plugs, still no signal. So just tracing the back, I got no continuity from pickup wire there to CDI here. So I assumed I had a break in the wiring, because this wiring had been opened up before. I had an alarm fitted at some point. So I traced it back and unwrapped the loom. Fortunately I had to unwrap the loom from this side all the way back, otherwise I'd have found it quicker. And then realised that this can't be the pickup wire. Well, pickup wire plug. So I had a look round and soon realised that this is the pickup wire plug tucked in underneath here. So I swapped it over. That's actually for the fuel pump, which I should have realised, but I didn't take this off the bike, so stuff was everywhere. Plugged it in, and we do actually have spark. Give me a second and I'll connect the battery up and get back in a sec. Right, I've got the jumper pack connected up. Just zoom in on that spark plug. Ignition's on. Don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not. I'm not sure how good that's showing up on camera. So, we've got a spark. Just a silly mistake really. I just assumed it would be in the right plug. Right shape plug, should I say. That it was for the pickup, but it wasn't, it was for the fuel pump. But we all make them mistakes when putting stuff back together that we haven't taken apart. I think next job is to fit the carbs, put a bit of fuel in, see if it runs. I might put the spare exhaust system, might chuck that on, to see if it's running properly, because I can run it for a bit. And obviously not too long, because it's got no radiator on it. Yeah, I'll get back to you when I've done that. I thought I had some petrol, but I haven't. So I'll nip out and get some tomorrow before I put the carbs on. But for now, I'm just going to put some brake clean in it. See if it fires up. Well, it fires. Hopefully we can get it running properly with some fuel in the carbs. Just going to block up the vacuum lines, and also there's a water one that needs blocking off. I'll block that off now. I don't need blocking off now, but I'll do it while I'm there. chuck the carbs on as well. Supposedly the other bike, the race bike, is an ex-Roger Middleton bike, so these carbs are already tuned. The air correction tubes are blocked off, been rejetted. I've checked the jets. It's slightly different to what I'm running in the other bike, so I might end up putting these carbs on my bike and dyno it, as Roger Middleton, well known for setting up his stuff pretty good. And hopefully might get a few more horsepower to my number one bike with these carbs, with a bit of luck. Like I said, I've already had them apart, so have a quick look, and they're pretty clean. Alright, if we can get them to go in. I don't think I'll be using these rubbers because they're pretty hard. Right. Just need to connect some fuel now. And it should be alright. I've got some fuel in the dummy fuel tank. Just connected the fuel pump to the right plug this time. And carbs on. Hoping it should start. I've not connected the exhaust. I'm going to run it shortly. Just see if it actually runs alright with them carbs. Put the jumper back on. Probably be pretty loud. The camera decided to shut itself off before I got it started. So I'm going to give it a bit of choke. Turn the ignition on. That just didn't sound too bad. The engine sounds alright. I haven't been really loud, obviously because the exhaust aren't on. But I think I'll go straight ahead. I'll take that engine out now. I know I've got a spare loom, just in case one sets on fire at some point. It has been known in the past. I know that loom's good, and I also know a few other parts are good for spares as well. And I'll make another video shortly of me taking the engine out and hopefully getting it into the race bike.